Alright guys, what's up? This is Jeremiah, Raw Veganpreneur. I just wanted to make a quick video because it's kind of frustrating when you buy something new. I just got this new Echo. Real cool Echo. Echo Unlimited shirt. But I want to rock it, but this is messing up my flow. You know, I got these cool ass slippers. I want to rock it with the red shirt. You already know how I do it. If you don't know, then you need to follow my IG. I'm coming out with some fashion styles for y'all men that don't know how to dress. But anyway, I got a little cool ass hammer right here, you see? Right, so what you do, you wanna bang on this right here. This is not an ink security clothing tag, which is a good thing. So what you wanna do is you wanna bang on this until, you know, it breaks off. So I'm gonna attempt to try to do this with one hand, alright? So bear with me. You got stuff flying all over now. Okay. Everything's good, guys. Then some little pins are going to be coming out. You know, so it's still. There we go. Okay, so. Alright, guys. So then. What you want to do, most likely open here, you're going to, let's see, you're going to have the inner workings, so you still have a bit more to go. Alright, so let's get this fancy hammer again. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to zoom in so you can see, so you guys can check it out. Here we go. Alright guys, so then once you take all this stuff out, I don't know why these department stores do this, you know, they leave the security thing on even when you purchase it and stuff like that. They forget, you know, these zombies working in a lot of these stores and stuff. So you want to put it on something, you know, cardboard, because it's gonna lose a lot of these little beads. Right. Then looks like it has something here. Okay, so then, alright guys, so check it out. I was able to remove a lot, so then now what you want to do is you want to get in here where it has the little piece, the metal piece, and just, you don't want to damage your garment, so you gotta be patient, alright? Just like in life, sometimes we have to be patient with certain things, right? So, this one's trying to be a real tough one here, but again, just patience, guys. So I'm gonna give it one last bang. This should do it, and there we have it, guys, right here. Not too fond of this method because it made a hole in my garment, but it's no biggie. So there you have it. This is what you have left over, guys. Alright, hope this helps someone out. Just a cool little hammer. And if you got some cool ass socks like I do, then maybe you can pull this off. Peace.